In this video, I will show you how to create a professional thumbnail using Canva. Thumbnails are an important part of your video's success, as they help attract viewers. Canva makes it easy by providing ready-to-use templates that you can customize to fit your style. To start, open Canva. Since we are creating a YouTube thumbnail, select the YouTube thumbnail option from the available formats. Canva will display a variety of templates to choose from. Pick any template you like. I will choose this one as an example. Once you've selected your template, you can begin customizing it. Drag and adjust each element in the design, such as text, images, and colors, to match the theme of your video. You can also upload your own images or graphics to make it more unique. Experiment with fonts, layouts, and effects until you are happy with the result. If you want to take your thumbnail game to the next level, I recommend watching tutorials on YouTube to learn advanced tips and tricks. With some practice, you'll be able to create eye-catching thumbnails that boost your video's performance. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.